Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming devices and accounts. Make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch runs the latest OS and you're signed into iCloud. Once done, enable Face ID or Touch ID. That secures payments. Next, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add a card. Choose card type and either scan or enter details manually. If you have a Korean-issued card, select the issuing bank when prompted, so you can use local NFC terminals without additional apps. You'll now complete authentication with the card issuer. This is often the trickiest part. When Wallet requests verification, expect SMS codes and in-app confirmation in your bank's Korean app or an OTP over secure channels. Follow the bank's exact prompts. If the bank requires its app, install it and authorize the card there, then return to Wallet. Once verification succeeds, the card status will show active. Make a small authorization or use a transit gate to confirm NFC. You finish by choosing a default card and enabling express transit when applicable, which skips authentication for quick taps. To pay, hold the top of your iPhone or the face of your Apple Watch near the NFC reader until you see Done and a check mark. If a payment fails, first toggle NFC by restarting the device and double-check region settings and wallet card status. Make sure your bank supports international Apple Pay in Korea. If issues persist, remove and re-add the card, or call your bank's support for verification help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.